Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here today. I wanted to share with you guys something that is, in my mind, the most important thing when purchasing a piece of equipment, specifically something that costs more than a couple $100. Let's face it, you need support, you need help when you're in trouble, you need troubleshooting content, FAQ questions, so on and so forth. So what we've done here, I'm going to show you just real quickly, if as a customer, what you can do is you can access content on our website 24/7, no matter if we're in the office or not. This is something that you have access, again, 24/7 to. And if you go over and hover over the About Us page, there's a knowledge base link here that we can click on. And of course, as a customer, you're going to be given a password to access this content because again, this is some very private content that we only want machine owners to have access to, but it's one of the big things that we do give for equipment owners, and it's a huge value for anyone purchasing something that is quite expensive. So what you're going to see here on the content section of this video, we have quick start setup for every machine, some very basic principles, quick start setup for micro hones, checking the abrasive ratios in a micro hone, which is very important in any wet blast cabinet, but basically static and working PSIs, adding water to the machine, a bunch of troubleshooting videos for different models, some of the upgrades that we've done here that you can see, and very, very great content as far as things that you are going to have problems with and things that you are going to need to set up or change. We go through everything, setup details and troubleshooting, and it's a huge asset for people, specifically when you don't have access to someone on the phone here in the office. We are very available. As you guys know, at least 7 days a week, we're very available. Some of us do sleep a little bit, and some of us do take a few minutes during the weekend to relax a bit, but we still like to offer the highest level customer service in the industry, and that's where this webpage comes in. But again, just some of the basic questions that you guys are going to need help with. Then we have setup videos here for different models that you can see. Every different machine that we build, we have setup information for. Many PDF articles for you guys to reference. You can print these out. Warranty details, and then again, more troubleshooting content. But this is a huge page for owners to have access to here. And again, it's password protected, so you guys as owners get quick, immediate access to this 24/7. And it's just something that we like to do to provide tons of value for you new customers or existing customers, because again, we do know and understand that you will have issues. And so the greatest thing here is you can hopefully resolve 95% of those issues without calling in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.